This is BeingTsongaInSA with Shitshembiso Mabasa na
Fumani N Shilubana minjani riperile nhlikani hinkwaswo swa n'we sweleswo.
Anyway, back to the story.
So
back
to
like the 13 bakutana.
No man, I can only leave after 5 o'clock. I'm shooting my father Mzuku.
Yeah.
And there's no way I'm gonna leave this project. Hi, sharp. No, and look now, so there's no way I'm leaving Gauteng without money in my account. That will not happen.
Okay.
No.
Not the MC man.
Hey, because next thing I start
This is government.
This is government.
Yeah.
Look, I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, 2 hours later, look my even proof of payment. I meant proof of payment from the bank. Profit. You can call my private bank. Listen. Check. No money. My rights are clear. Okay, cool. Anyway, get Mapungubwe. I left here at 6 o'clock. Drove to Polokwane.
Did you get a brief by any chance?
There was
Because
no-
they already paid you, right? So what communication are you getting?
I got the brief when I was outside the stage from the other MC.
What the fuck?
Yes.
So wait, what figure you are the MC? You don't know what's going on.
I'm one of the MCs, yes.
You're one of the. There's multiple MCs.
Yes.
So this thing is not already not. You are not having the same communication.
Not the same. I don't have any sort of
So
communication.
when I figure out Fumani, okay, there go to your section.
Not even me. They wouldn't figure.
Yeah.
I had to call someone. It was back for last stage manager. First, of course, he was busy because it was noisy. Eventually, I got someone. And
So I would have designated for you as the presenter to say, look, the presenter figure.
No.
Oh, snap.
No.
Go into it.
No. So anyway, but from even my manager mentioned a month ago, why was so busy planning? This thing is disorganized.
Yeah.
There's a lot of disorganized issue. Mara, far for man because we don't want to. Let's go for yes. They're not paying us not even quarter of our money,
but for the relationship.
For the relationship,
yeah.
Farmer and go see what is happening.
Yeah.
Okay, no cool. But this is the last time we do it. We're not gonna do it any game for this money.
So my figure, there's no one who until you find a guy, and then now the other presenter does a time. The MC man. Then
no, it was multiple MC like would go and stay like the 4 of us.
Oh, one time.
Yes, one time. And like, excuse me. Fortunately, I knew the girl in his school. She's a presenter, keeping on FM with friends on the social medias. We're also friends like this. She and I. So we're cool. So she quickly gave me a brief. And she had the program of the MC that she had. She was given as she goes. She didn't have the whole.
I'll figure 2 minutes.
Like, I don't know a few lists
items
of the people who came on. Who will come on board. Yeah. But it was not a full list because later I was shocked. And looking at Brian Mr. Bao.
Yeah.
Brian had a full list of many artists that we had, but it was the first time I see that after I have MC'd.
What was Brian doing there? He was DJing.
I think Brian, I'm not mistaken, I might be wrong, but I think Atina Mr. Bao.
So when I want a whole list, the artist and the
yes.
Yeah. But when as the MC.
I'd never.
So okay, come Dr. Thomas Chauke's time.
So then
what is happening before Ingar Moon? What is happening?
So paint that picture. 10 or so when I'm supposed to MC.
Yeah.
10 MC, yes. Because I left here. I'm 6, and I had to go to the hotel then, and then go to a festival.
Yeah.
And then, funny enough, after I booked the hotel, I only find out there. Actually, they booked me somewhere else.